Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another worksheet flow. This time this is Excel and we have made some VBA code and some formulas for the changes required. All the costing thing have been removed except the numbers and the percentages. And this is the frequency table. I'll explain it in a while. And these are the charts for the frequencies. Database has been built in a way that we'll be building some charts. Let me clear everything and start fresh. I have created some random data for day 1 to day 5, Monday to Friday, which will get updated automatically. You can see the numbers and the names are varying so that we can have some variation in the naming list. I have cleared the database, so you can see there is nothing in it. Let's start the updating of the data. Now you can see this week's data has been updated. And we know we have nothing on the database, only in the combined sheet. So we can see only the positives and negatives according to the limit of 287.5. Now I'll update the data into the database. I'll change this name, clear week data. So as soon as I clear the week data, it will transfer to the database. And here you can see the total, the frequency of the person. So this name, Curtis, this name has appeared 34 times. And the maximum amount the scored is 6368, which is quantity per hour. So the maximum amount is this. Now I'll upload the no, I need to clear this because I just updated the same data for the next week too. Okay, so now I'll be updating the data, next data for Tuesday. I'll update the data and transfer it into the database. So now we have 2 weeks data, which is, you can see the different data. Update the data for the 3rd day and update the data in the database. 4th day and update in database. As you can see, we have 4 data. I'll update the last week data and clear the data so that it can get transferred into the database. So now we have all 5 datas. And you can see the variation in the charts. I'll show you, I'll explain it how it is plotting. So this one is showing that the name Curtis has appeared 114 times. So this is the frequency of this name appearance. And the maximum quantity per hour is 393. Okay, so to make it like from which number you want to see, currently it's showing up from 250 to any number above 400. If I'll say, okay, no, I want to see only the listing for the numbers which are above 400. Let's call it 350. Now you can see we have changes in the frequency. So the quantity per hour more than 350 or is equal to or more than 350. There are 9 frequencies, like 9 times this name appeared with a maximum quantity per hour of 399. Whereas on week 1, the same name appeared 2 times. So he occurred 2 times on any 4 floors. For any on any of the 4 floors. This name appeared 2 times with a maximum quantity per hour of 399. On week 2, A Ali has appeared 3 times with a maximum quantity per hour of 380. This name again appeared 3 times on week 3 with a maximum quantity per hour of 392. Again, this name appeared on 3 times, this and this. And you can see the distribution. So A Ali has appeared 5 times in week 5 with a 385 maximum quantity per hour. And when we combine all of these monthly, so you can see these are the weekly tables, and this is the combined monthly table. So ALE has presented 9 times, which you can combine from here as well. And you can see the weekly distribution of ALE through these charts. And here you can see this is the highest, appearing number, or maybe you can call it this name has appeared 9 times with a maximum of 399 quantity per hour. in all 5 weeks, which is the month. So you can see monthly maximum score frequency. I have added another control. For example, if you want to plot it by the quantity per hour, as you can see currently 399 and 381, then 390, it's varying and not consistent. So if you want to see all 399, like all the maximum quantity per hour at the top, you can check this quantity per sort by quantity per hour. And here you will be seeing 399 is the maximum quantity per hour, which has appeared 1, 2, and 3 times. So these 3 names are the maximum quantity per hours all over the month. And whereas if you want to see the weekly distribution, in week 1, these 2 names were 399. In week 2, there was no 399. The maximum was 397. In week 3, there was 1 399, 397, and there were no 399s on week 4 and 5. So this is how you can see the weekly distribution and the monthly distribution. So this is chart. This number is showing 2 is showing the frequency, which is the appearance, and this one is showing the quantity per hour. Now this table has also been updated if you want to see it in a number format. Again, this table is being controlled through these values. So if you want to see all the values above 200, you can see. So these are the appearances of all these numbers. So if I'll call it, okay, no, I want to see only above 390. So these are the appearances, and currently it's being sorted by the quantity per hour. If you want to sort it by the frequency, you can always click on frequency, and you can see this has been updated to 3 maximum in here. So this name, it has appeared. This is the maximum. This is the topper of the month with maximum of 3 appearances. One is 4 in week 4 and 2 appearances in week 5. And similarly, you can count all of these at the bottom as well. All right, so this is it. I have updated this chart too. So this is showing the distribution of the counts. 313 are greater than 287.5, whereas 47 are less than 387.5, 287.5. And the total for these two is 360. So this is the blue is the total part, and this is the distribution of this 360. Again, this chart is same. I just made it a bit thinner. And this chart is also it's plotting the frequency, and the name will appear multiple times if the name has appeared. Like currently you can see this is appearing only one time with 397. This is maximum, but sometime this could have scored up to 390, 340 or something, I don't know. Here you can see all the names from here. So if we will stretch it down, maybe now you can read out the values as well. So this let me find ALE. No. Okay, so this name MC, this has appeared the second time in here, and the second value was 660.5, and the MC, the first value was 684.5. And this is, let me make sure, what is this plotting? Oh, this is positive. So this chart is as same. If you want to combine all the same names in one place, we can also do that. But this is just the quantity above or below. And this is the new weekly distribution and monthly distribution. So that is it from my side. Please, I'll share this file with you so that you can have a review on it, and then we can discuss if you find any further modifications to be done or any further clarification should you require. Looking forward for your response. Take care. Bye.